Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make quick and easy lemon chicken. This lemon chicken is super easy to make and it's also super tasty. To start, you'll need 4 chicken breasts. Just place them into a gallon-size Ziploc bag. And then we'll make a quick marinade right in the bag with the chicken. You'll need the juice from 2 lemons or about half a cup of lemon juice. Pour that in, along with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of basil, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then we're gonna seal up the bag and give it a shake. You just wanna squish it around and shake it until all of the ingredients are evenly dispersed. Pop it in the fridge and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to 8 hours. When you're ready to cook, get a heavy skillet heating over medium-high heat. Remove the chicken from the marinade and place it directly into the skillet. Discard any of the remaining marinade. Let the chicken cook for about 6 to 7 minutes per side. Give it a flip and then cook the other side as well. Chicken needs to be cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Your actual cooking time will depend on how thick your chicken breasts are. Once they're cooked through, you are ready to eat. I like to serve these up hot and garnish them with some freshly sliced lemon and freshly chopped parsley. It's also really easy to add vegetables into the skillet as well and make it a complete meal. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.